Hi guys, thank you so much for watching. Today's video is on a PR haul of what small YouTubers get. So I'll just have everything linked underneath. Also, some of the companies were nice enough to give me a coupon code for you guys. It's not an affiliate one or anything, but just for a discount if you're interested. So I'll link everything underneath. If you like this type of video and you want me to continue filming whatever small PR items I do get, I'll gladly do that for you. If you like it, just let me know by liking the video. And thank you so much to all the companies that are kind enough to send me these items. It just lets me try more items for you guys so that I can give you guys my honest reviews on them. So let's just get started. So the first item is this Radiance Spin for Perfect Skin skincare set from Duval. It has 1, 2, 3, 4. Some of the attachments are for body and some of them are for your face. So I think this is really nice. It's waterproof as well, so you could use it in the shower. So it has a facial exfoliating brush, a large body cleansing brush, a facial cleansing brush, and a pumice stone. So this is by Duval, and they also gave me a coupon code for you guys for 70% off. So I'll put it underneath, code underneath if you're interested. Thank you so much for sending me this. I can't wait to try it. The next is some skincare from Biolumiere Organics. I've never heard of this brand before. Anti-aging skincare line. I'll link their website underneath. If you go on their website, they just have tons of active ingredients in these. So this first one here is the anti-aging cream by Biolumiere Organics. And again, I'll link it underneath if you guys are interested. I've still yet to try it long enough to give a review on it. Smells like citrus and a cucumber scent. And this is what it looks like. So it's kind of like a medium consistency, not too thick and not too runny. So I'll have to try it for a longer period of time because you guys know I love to try my skincare for a long time. That's why my reviews are kind of late sometimes, because I want to make sure that I really form a good opinion on it before I tell you guys. But I'll link it underneath if you're interested to go on the site and find out more information. They also sent me their eye serum, which is here. And I've yet to try this one, so thank you so much Biolumiere Organics for sending me this. It's cruelty-free, made in the USA, BPA-free and toxic-free. And this one is a bio-lifting eye cream that's supposed to help with under-eye bags and puffiness and the appearance of fine lines and creases. So can't wait to use this as well. But again, I'll have to fully use these before I can let you guys know my full opinion on them. And this is what the eye serum looks like. I love the packaging on them too. So again, thank you so much. I know I'm a smaller YouTuber, but thank you to anyone that sent me something. I really appreciate it. I've gotten some stuff from Influenster. I have 2 videos on Influenster, and I'll link them underneath if you guys are interested. It's pretty much just an app that you download and anyone can get free items just based on your social media. It doesn't mean you have to have a YouTube. So I've actually gotten quite a few things from them, but the ones that I have here to show you is this came in one package. So this is the Pantene. This is the Pantene Soothing Recovery Mask. It's a hair mask. I think it's from their new Rose line. So it has a really nice scent, a really light rose scent, and this is the consistency of it so you guys can see. So it's quite thick. It smells good. So I'll have to put that in my shower and try it. And again, you guys know with hair care, same thing. I pretty much do a review when I'm near done it, so I know my actual opinion. And then they also sent me the Pantene Nourishing Oil here. And that's what it looks like. And it says it's a nutrient-infused lightweight oil that instantly tames frizz and heals split ends, giving you healthy and brilliant shine. And it's like a hair serum that's good for split ends. You guys know what I've been through with my hair, so I've had really damaged hair before with all the bleaching. Now it's pretty well growing out, so it's better, but I'll definitely try items for damaged hair, that's for sure. So that's great. Thank you so much, Influenster, for that. And again, I'll link Influencer underneath if you want to sign up for yourself to get stuff, because you don't have to have a YouTube channel. You just do like reviews on stuff and everything. It's all explained in my other videos, so I'll link those underneath. And then another thing I got from Influenster is another package. This one is the Frank's Red Hot Buffalo Ranch seasoning. You can put it on like pizza and fries and all that. I love to cook, so I was happy to get seasoning actually to try. I'm always like, I grow herbs myself in my garden and stuff, so I'm always cooking, so I love items like that. So I tried this on potatoes and it's really good. It is kind of spicy, so just put a little bit if you're like weak to spice like I am. But thank you so much, Influencer, for that. And then the last thing that I got is this Frank's Red Hot Fiesta Bean Dip. So it's like a bean. I've never made a bean dip actually, but I'll have to do that to try that. So that is everything that I have with me to show you guys right now. There's a couple things that I've already used up and stuff that I can't show you. But if you found this video helpful, please like it so I know, and I'll continue to do PR haul unboxings, and then if they include any coupon codes, I'll give them to you guys so you can save some money too. And again, big thank you to the companies that believe in me enough to send me stuff, because I know I am a small YouTuber. Thank you so much, guys. I hope you have a great day, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more videos like this, and I'll link a bunch of hauls underneath. Thank you. Bye. Enjoy the rest of your summer, guys. Bye.